Get long-lasting, smooth skin with the fastest, most precise epilator. Removes hair up to 4 times shorter than wax. Use your Silk-epil 9 under warm water for a more pleasant experience. The 40% wider head catches up to 2 times more hair in a single stroke. Braun's pivoting head adapts to every contour, and the smart light ensures even the finest hairs are not missed. Braun's exclusive SensoSmart pressure sensor will alert you if too much pressure is applied. Use Braun's deep exfoliation brush regularly to help avoid ingrown hairs. Or for sensitive areas, use the gentle exfoliation brush. And apply a moisturizer to keep skin soft. Use the deep massage pad for more visibly toned skin. Get up to 4 weeks of salon smooth skin with the fastest, most precise epilator. The Silk-epil 9 SkinSpa by Braun.